Smith split wide to the top of your screen. He looks that way, and he's picked off. Pick six. Simmons with the touchdown. .6'4". And more bounce to the ounce. Hassan Hall on the kickoff return. Found a little alley. Oh! Hassan Hall gonna take it back. Touchdown Cards. 93 yards.
Speaking of true freshman with speed, Hassan Hall, they've been waiting to get him going for quite some time this week.
A test tonight against this Miami D. First and 10, they'll run it, and bouncing to the outside and breaking free is Deion Jackson. He is gone. Touchdown Blue Devils. 75 yards to open up the night, and there is a statement on Saturday right there.
Or you want to try to keep doing the things that Jace Ruder did in the previous two drives.
Elliott firing, Ratliff Williams. Battle. Did he get it? Lamont Simmons was there. North Carolina football.
Peoples, the leading rusher for this Virginia Tech team. 5 rushing TDs on the season for Peoples. This one to the end zone by Willis. Fight for the ball. It's a touchdown, Virginia Tech. Damon Hazelton outdueled Hamp Cheevers. 26 yards and a Tech TD.